Hello, today we're going to show you the unboxing of a HIC external camera, which is a ds-2CE56F1T-ITM. Now this camera comes in a 2.8, a 3.6 and a 6mm lens, which will be a 84 degree, 67 degree or 44 degree angle from the lens. Now this comes out of the box as a 3 megapixel camera, and it's nice and small inside. We've got basic user manuals that come with it, and then inside it's actually a really small tidy camera. It just has two connections, one for your traditional BNC. This is a HD over coax camera, and then there's your power cable there for your 12V DC input. On opening the camera, you can see it's just got a little protective lens over the infrared there. Now the back of the camera, this part here actually comes off, so you can mount it against the wall. All you have to do is undo this screw, and then you rotate the camera around until it basically clips off, and so we just loosen that screw like that. If you turn the housing around till you get to just about the back, it'll clip off because there's a little slot there where my thumb is that allows you to unclip it from the rest, and then just reverse it back again to actually fasten it back on. Position the camera where you need it to be pointing, and then simply tighten this back up. Now on the back of here there is 3 fixing points for fastening it to the wall or whatever your fixing point is. And then when you're all happy that it's where you need it to be, you can simply just tighten that back up, and it'll lock the camera back into position. In the bottom of the box you'll find there is some fixing screws with it, with a drilling template, so you can pre-drill your holes before you take the camera up to wherever you're going to fit them to. There is a little label on this side of this cable, which is basically telling you the model number of the camera, the lens and what colour it is, and then also that it's a DC 12V camera with its serial number. So you can either get the serial number off the side of the camera, or you can get the serial number off the side of the box. I hope that was of use to you. Thanks.